Hello everyone, it's Ridyansh and today I'm going to tell you why you need to stop purchasing those small packet of Lay's and why you should get a bigger packet of Lay's. And I have no idea what does the wavy thing means, but I ate a packet and I was not able to find a single difference in it. Okay, so first let's compare the prices. This one is 25 and this one is 50. Okay, so apart from that everything is still the same. Okay, so the reason why you should get the bigger packet is really simple. Like, my camera is okay. The smaller packet has 45 grams of chips in it and the bigger packet has 115 grams. So like for double the price you should get at least 90 grams, but here you are getting 115, so it's 25 gram more and you are still paying the same amount. And the only reason I actually thought to make the video is because I was like, I just ate a similar packet like this right now and I was going to get another one, and accidentally I found out that I had a bigger packet with me. So I took it out and saw its weight, and it's 115 grams, which is double the weight of this. And yeah, that's it. But it's not always that you should get a bigger packet, because in case of an Oreo you will get a extra Oreo in the smaller packet. I can't exactly remember the price. Like if it's either the 5 rupee one or the 10 rupee one, in one of that you get one extra Oreo for the same price if you get the smaller packet. But in the case of Lay's, it could be a difference between the wavy and the normal thing, but I ate the wavy thing and I still can't find out a single difference in it. Like, it's the usual flavor for me. So if you're thinking of buying the 25 one, just ignore it and get the 51 if you can. And yeah, that's it. And let's see if you can wear short to work. Okay, like there's some things here. Only top quality potato become Lay's. Okay, and let's see what's written at the back. Okay, just give me a minute and I'll see, because it's right. Lay's wavy magic masala. I'll just find out why and what this wavy thing is. Okay, so I was able to find out what the wavy thing means in Lay's. Like, let me focus on my laptop here for a second and let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so Lay's are generally, let's go into the product page, and these are the Lay's and these are the Lay's wavy. So the wavy thing tells us about the design, like these waves, and you can still find the waves in the non-wavy one. So I don't think that you should get a Lay's wavy, or like it in reality it does not even make a single difference, because the normal way Lay's are still the Lay's wavy. And that's it for the video. And if you want, you can get these Lay's from anywhere, or like these are just launched, I think. Let me check. This one is made on August 13 and the non-wavy one was made on 8th September. So it's just it's some marketing thing which does not even make a single difference in it. So forget about the wavy one and get your favorite Lay's magic masala from your nearest store. And this video is not sponsored by Lay's. I was just bored, so I made it. So anyway, just like the video and comment down below what I should tell you about, or like what thing I should review or anything like that, and just subscribe to the channel. And that's it from my side, and see you in. Okay, I've decided to show you how much things you can expect, or how much chips you can expect in a packet of Lay's, the big one. So yeah, it's only filled up to here, so like 2/5 of a packet or something like that, just below half, like 45% of the packet is filled. And yeah, okay, so that's it for the video, and bye.